I want to show you guys something that we encounter quite frequently, and that is people ask us about wheels, wheel refinishing, repainting, stuff like that. We don't do that work here, but we always recommend using the highest quality wheel repair shop you can, not the guys that just do it in a parking lot. Why? Well, look at this Audi. Nice clean wheels, they look really good. No curb rash or anything. But inside the barrel here, see how filthy that is? Well, guess what? That's permanent. That can't be fixed without completely refinishing, sanding down and respraying this entire rim. Now, why did that happen? Because the outside of this rim here has been refinished by a shop that didn't do it very well. So first off, you have things like this where it's starting to flake off. But more importantly, when they refinished this, the face of this wheel, they didn't bother cleaning the inside. So when they painted these areas, it just oversprayed all that paint and clear coat inside and coated all that brake dust. And so now it's sealed in and can't be taken off unless you sand it. I mean, we've scrubbed it, we've done everything. It ain't coming off. So this is a perfect example of why to use quality craftsmen when doing any work on your car. The cheapy stuff will come back and bite you, I promise.